nakakadena, dating nakakadena, pero dahil sa ginawa ni Kristo, nakalaya. So yung dahil sa grasya niya.
See grace, how sweet the sound of that saved a wretch like me. I once lost, but now I found. Was blind, but now I see. It was grace that taught my heart to feel, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear. They are, I first believed. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me, and like a flood, His mercy reigns. Unending love, amazing grace.
Katulad ka ba nasabi ko, grasya lamang po ng Panginoon na kumbaga lahat po tayo ay pwedeng makalaya, di ba po? So, sa kadena ng kasalanan. Kumbaga po sa mga mamaya po.
The Lord has promised.